Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an easy Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. I picked up just a Dollar Tree frame. I really love this one because it has like a wood frame. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start taking it apart. I'm going to use the actual glass along with a printable of a cute little owl wearing a witch's hat that I designed. And I will share this free printable with you in the comments down below today's video. I printed mine out on cardstock. Which works really well for this because it Mod Podges really well. I'm just cutting the border off. My printer doesn't go all the way to the edge, but that's okay for 8 by 10. It doesn't need to be. And I wanted it cut down to the exact size of the glass that goes in the frame. We're actually going to do it on top of the glass. So I just Mod Podged that down. With cardstock, you don't really have to wait for it to dry. You're not going to worry about like all of the wrinkling and stuff like that. And I also do a layer of Mod Podge all over, just kind of going in one direction. So you get like a little bit of a brush stroke in there. It makes it look nicer. And the glass gives you a perfectly flat surface, unlike like the back of the frame. Now a little Dollar Tree makeover for the frame. I'm just going to go over the entire wood frame with some black acrylic paint. Since it's a little bit of a sealed wood, it doesn't really soak in and it leaves behind some of the wood showing through, which makes it look old and distressed and super creepy for Halloween. So I really like that look. So once I get that painted, now it's just time to put it all back together. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Put the glass back into the frame, put everything back together. You can still hang it with the hanger on there. You can use the stand if you want to make it a standing sign. Super easy to do. And again, I will include the free printable. Isn't that so cute? If you'd like more Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.